Have you ever thought about trying out macro photography? You know, those extreme close-ups of insects, flowers, or your favorite gadgets? Well, then you probably also checked out the prices for lenses and figured out it was way too expensive for something you just wanted to play with for a while. Today I'm going to give you two very affordable options, plus one that might turn out to be completely free. I went out and got a macro ring kit from Amazon and a couple of macro filters from AliExpress. Both of these are extremely cheap ways of getting into macro photography. But hang on till the end, because I'll show you how I took macro photos before I got these, and I didn't spend a dime. The macro rings came in a kit with 3 different sizes. They can be used individually or they can be stacked together to give you even more magnification. They attach between the lens and the camera, and by extending the distance they basically make sure that a smaller part of what goes into the lens will actually hit the sensor, and this gives you a magnification. And since they use the lens mount, they will fit any lens you have in your camera bag. The macro filter attaches to the front of your lens, but since lenses differ in size, you should make sure that you get it in the size that fits the lens you expect to use the most. By magnifying everything before it goes into the lens, everything that goes through will be captured by the sensor as usual. This means that less light will disappear on the way. Now let's see some samples of these two options. As you may have noticed, there's quite a lot of distortion from these two options. The macro filter especially has a lot of circular blur, so this is just for playing around. If you want to get serious about macro photography, you will need to get a proper lens. Finally, I promised to show you how to take macro photography for free. All you need is your nifty 50, if you have one of course. Detach it from the camera, turn it around, and there you have it. If you like these videos about camera accessories and photography, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Also take a look at this playlist with a lot more about photography. Until next time, stay frosty people, and see ya!